मैं शायर तो नहीं, मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं आशिक तो नहीं, मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको आशिकी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं। प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना था, मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं थी खबर। प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना था, मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं थी खबर। मैं तो उलझा रहा उलझनों की तरह, दोस्तों में रहा दुश्मनों की तरह। मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको दोस्ती आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं। सोचता हूँ अगर मैं दुआ मांगता, हाथ अपने उठाकर मैं क्या मांगता। सोचता हूँ अगर मैं दुआ मांगता, हाथ अपने उठाकर मैं क्या मांगता। जब से तुझसे मोहब्बत मैं करने लगा, तब से जैसी इबादत मैं करने लगा। मैं काफिर तो नहीं, मैं काफिर तो नहीं, मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको बंदगी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं। It's one verse. These are all, I have cut down into all small shots. Okay? One verse.
Scene 14, take 6.
Rehearsal also you take. Sometimes rehearsal is better. Stop. So far away.
What happened? What happened?
We should put this on our YouTube. Behind the scenes and the thing. Do you agree, Father? Okay, let's adjust it. No.
It's the shot from there, the background is not nice. But then she will get long shots.
From
But
where?
from there. From here, then we cannot open this.
I can write upside down. See? Such talent.
It should be 2, 1, 2. You have to separate the action. Then this one. 2. Then he. You can do like that. 2. And then 2 hands.
Now when she does the editing, she does not know which. Here, what happened is she knows. Okay, the take 3 was good, so we do take 3.
Or we can just select the final file to upload into the Google Drive file.
Okay.
Yeah, correct. That's all
No,
there is.
then you have to go through so many clippings,
But it's
But
always
that-
our last take that's the one we use,
Yeah.
right? Unless
Not
there's-
necessary.
I mean, it's up to
Not
you. You are
necessary.
the one editing.
Okay, take that. Now, the thing starts.
You look like
Now-
a cockroach.
Now indoor. Now indoor.
He does that a lot.
Okay, now the scene. I'm explaining the scene.
Mm.
Rosie is standing where Nisha is standing, okay? And as if you come and then I look at you and then I start singing, okay? Nisha,
They just got caught in the behind the scenes. This is the point of behind the scenes.
I did it again.
This is
Oh, I did it again.
The camera takes on my POV because the moment I open the door,
Point of view.
right?
So when I come in, right? So I follow you, and then I should
No need,
stop.
no
right?
need. I should
When-
stop when the door opens. I open the
No,
door.
we should see you inside the house.
Yeah.
Then she moves behind the camera.
Yeah.
Then after that, I continue moving.
Yeah, that means the boat is scene 5. Take 1. Scene 5.
Wow.
We shot 4 scenes of that.
We have already shot 4 scenes.
Thank God for a drama student. What?
Zoom on the
Paper.
paper. You take the face and then zoom on the paper. Sitting on the